Hey y'all, it's your girl Erica, and welcome back to my channel. Okay y'all, so of course in today's video, I know you guys are glad to see me back. But also do not mind how my hair and stuff look, because we ain't worrying about how I'm looking right now. If you look good trying to clean your car, then like, girl, what you doing? So if you guys know me, you know I be talking a little too much, and I didn't even explain to y'all what I'm doing in the video. So the reason why y'all clicked on this video is to watch me clean my truck out, and instead of me doing all that, I'll be doing a lot of talking. So we finna get into this video. Okay, y'all, so first things first, the trunk. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, y'all, so I do want to say that my truck is like not that dirty, but it's just like it's been like it's collecting a lot of things that, like, you know, because like I've been on a travel team from like my job, whatever, and it's just like going back and forth, and then everybody be in and out, and it just be like a lot. So it just be like, oh my God, I don't be having time to do anything, because I work damn near 6 days out of the week. No, not damn near. I do work 6 days out of the week, 12 hours a day, and this stuff is so tiring. Like, it had me so tired. I don't even want to clean or do nothing. So on my off days, I be trying to wash my clothes, you know, clean my truck, and do, like, you know, the little things to at least maybe look like I'm doing something on my off day and not just nothing. Because sometimes I just be trying to take them days just to rest. Like, one off day is not enough for the queen. It's not. But you see me just going through, you know, picking through a couple things. Yeah, because you got to keep food, because at this point, buying food out to eat is too much. It's too expensive. So keeping water and little snacks here and there in my truck is always good. I used to keep that bin in the front, like in the back seat, and I used to have like a whole bunch of snacks in there. But nope, everybody want to be greedy and take every fucking snack that they see instead of saving some for everybody else. See, here I go again with all this extra talking. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the show for real.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter with speed. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop on a sign. The reason why. In my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I felt myself in the zone, get nervous when we go. I say I'm not home. See your face might be my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. You're showing stars outside. What's the reason why?
Damn. Now you better clean the inside this middle part today. Okay, y'all, so this is how this is looking. It's still like a mess, but it should look better than what it was doing before. Yeah. I'm not gonna run. Just gonna stay here.
I feel, and I don't really wait for some years. I don't really get along with my peers. Everything that they do to me is clear. So, anywhere I feel the weirdos, smooth strokes. Tell me what is it you're willing to do for love? You know it's true that the dating pool is fuck. Ain't nobody got baby, just and I know, bring all I see. And I feel. You know, show that I can need. What I feel, keep it real, so
I'ma break your back, your back, your back, your back. I'ma break your back, your back, your back, your back.
Oh my god, look at my baby. She gonna call me baby boom. She gotta get washed though. But she cleaning it inside, I can tell you that much. Yo, oh my god, my baby's in the back seat.
23 looking for the 24th. Just see you ain't no gun no more. Bring it back, 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 bring it back. Same old thing, same old thing, same old thing. It's time for a change. I know. I feel. Know you know, shawty look wild. You know, I know. I feel. Know you know, shawty look wild.
I'm still taking to the car. So we're not gonna leave. Yup. Yup. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Do you got one for the tires? Yeah, we need one. You do I need right? Hit them tires. Oh wait, it's not like no, this is wait, we don't do that. Hold on, let me do a time check real quick. Sorry, y'all, chat. The wind blew y'all away. So y'all, we currently at the car wash. Where we at? I don't know, y'all. Lawrence, y'all, wherever that's at. And it's y'all, I think y'all broke. Ain't gonna lie, cause y'all too dangly. Like, okay, I think it's fixed, but she cleaning the thing. She did it real good. Big Shine. Yeah, Big Shine get it clean. Hello? Yeah. Y'all look at that wham. Shake that shit. Hey, Erica, do a little twerk. Do a little twerk. Ah, da 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 da. Da 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 da. She look good in full. Where the wax at? Straight to the wax. 2 seconds. Putting the wax on there. Getting her nice and good.
And don't we wipe this off, right? With the towel?
Yeah, I think so.
Damn. Yo, way. Gay. Yes, y'all. This is how y'all supposed to do it.
Big time, real clean.
There you go.
She got her bath today.
Oh, she got her bath. She got her detail inside clean.
She got her nails done. Well, she'll get her nails done next trip.
Mm-hmm. This motherfucker getting blood. Fall. And look, we done went the whole fucking ceiling up this shit. Who the fuck? Who let them kids do this? Yeah. Okay, god damn, JT. Now we over here wiping down. You know, if you don't wipe down your vehicle after you get done, you ain't doing it right. JT, oh my god, you're like you're shining through the glass. Girl? Yeah, girl, yeah! Yeah, shoes, bro. I bet in the trunk. You ain't no, that's what's in the trunk. I mean, I'm like, dang, your hair ain't never done. Not too much. But thank you guys for watching my video. That'll be the end of this video, y'all. I forgot to end it off. But, hey, I was in Florida for the first week. I mean, for that first clip y'all see me in, and I came back to Georgia so like after a couple months. This video is all over the place. I am to be trying to get a little more better with, you know, creating more content for y'all. But I'm about to see y'all in the next one.